Good day. Welcome to King Williams Everything. Today we're doing a book review. You know, that's the best thing YouTube is good for. Book reviews, because, you know, a video that tells you a lot about a book. But this one will. This is actually for the Vic-20. How about that? The Vic-20. Games, Graphics, and Applications by David C. Bush. Hey, David. Hope you're looking at this. And this came out in, what year did this come out in? It's got to be, let's see. Oh, there he is. There's David Bush. Hey, David. It came out in, let's see, 1983, first printing. This is the first edition, so this is the classic version of it. Collector's edition, first edition. But if you remember, the Vic-20 was the predecessor to the Commodore 64. And you can see somebody put some nice comments in here. And they circle things. Looks like this, maybe they're doing, going through it and doing all the pieces and parts in here. But what this does, it kind of gives you some programming, basic. You can see the programs. You go through each chapter. And so like this one you do is computer ESP is the program. So you read through it and it gives you some introduction, symbols, computer ESP, party game, any number of players, 800 bytes for any size Vic-20. And it gives you some nice details. So just like this takes care of the screen. What about the messages? Line 120 will get a single character from the keyboard. So it kind of tells you what each command does in a nice Englishy fashion. And then it gives you the computer program in BASIC. So you can see 800 bytes. And there it is. So these are little short programs that let you type it in. So you can see chapter 2, mind reading, party game, 1,300 bytes. And then it kind of goes on and on and on. Let's just pick a better one. Let's see what else we got in here. There's David again. Let's see. Vic Oregon, 109. Let's see. There's 75. Oh, actually, I bookmarked one because I thought that would look funny. But it's kind of written in a nice, not a comedic way, but an entertaining way. So you can see the Vic Oregon personal application, 2,000 bytes for unexpanded Vic-20s only. So if you had just your normal Vic-20, you could play this Oregon. So you can see some of the basics program, a lot of peeks and pokes, mostly pokes, and ifs and pokes and fors and next. So this is a pretty simple program, but quite a little bit longer ones, so a lot of print commands. So when you type this, you had to be really accurate. Otherwise, you know, you'd be going back and debugging it, but that's half of the fun of this stuff. But the one I bookmarked, it just kind of caught my eye. It's actually right in the middle. Bulletin board. It says, angry at your lazy Vic-20 for loafing between sessions of playing games or programming. Maybe you're looking for something that'll keep the microchips warmed up and ready for action. Try the bulletin board. So you can kind of see this was kind of written in a nice, like a whimsical fashion to be entertaining. You can see it's for Commodore Vic-20. 4 musical voices, a real-time clock, color graphics. This book teaches you how to use all of these major features through 20 programs designed for the 5K unexpanded Vic-20. So that's what this was for. And this was, how much was this new? $8.95. Brand new. So that was in 1983 money. So what's it? $8.95 in whatever year this is. Like, that's kind of like $10 billion. No, I don't know. Whatever year you're in right now watching this video, it's more than $8.95. But this is actually a pretty good read, especially if you like older stuff and basic, because the way it's written, it's kind of it's designed to be entertaining to read and still teach about random numbers and printing and peaks and ifs and thens and REMs and stuff like that. All the programs are short, so you know if you had yourself a Vic-20 or get yourself a Vic-20 emulator, you know this book would be really handy. I might even go through some of these games. I don't know. I might pick one. You know, somebody went through all the trouble to write this. David, what's David's name? Bush, David Bush. So this is the Vic-20 games, graphics, and applications. A good read, some entertainment. You know, if you're a nerdy, crazy person in whatever year you're in right now, good book to have. If you find one of these somewhere, you know, grab it, read it, enjoy it, put the programs in, and have a great day.